You need to hear this if you're a trader. Market optimism is surging, but can it survive this week's U.S. inflation data? This week is all about one thing: inflation. The U.S. inflation data release is just around the corner, and it's got everyone on edge. Why? Because inflation impacts everything from interest rates to market sentiment. Markets have been riding a wave of optimism, but this data could be the wave breaker. If inflation comes in hotter than expected, we could see a sharp market reaction. Higher inflation means the Fed might keep rates higher for longer, which tends to be bad news for equities. But if the numbers come in cool, the rally could continue. So what's a trader to do? Keep a close eye on those numbers, stay agile, and be ready to pivot. It's all about being prepared and staying informed. Remember, in trading, knowledge is power. Stay tuned to Market Pulse for real-time updates and expert analysis. Let's navigate these waters together. Good luck out there.